Okay, Cam, let's start again, please. Let me share my screen again with you. All right. So let's have the next one, Cam. This one. Okay. So these are the useful languages. Okay. There's a book club. Do you like reading books? Yes, I do. Why don't you sign up for it? Yes, good idea. Now, Cam, can you please read it? Cam, can you please read it? Cam? Hello?
Hmm.
Okay, can you please read it?
There is a book club. Do you like reading books? Yes, I do. Yes, good idea. Yes, I do. Why don't you sign up for it?
Okay. Yes, good idea. Okay, let's have
Yes,
this. Fill in the blanks with the words in the box. Check a partner, no need for that. Practice the conversation. Okay, all right. Cam, for number 2, can you please read and fill in the blanks?
I don't like.
What's the word?
Like,
Like. Can you please read the whole one? I don't
Excellent.
like. No. Read the whole sentence, Cam.
no, I don't like outdoor activities.
Okay, good. For number 3,
Do you like doing arts and crafts?
what's your answer?
Excellent.
Okay, and for number 4,
Yes, I do. Art is my favorite subject.
and for
Excellent.
number 5,
Great, great. Why
great,
don't you
great,
sign?
great.
Great, great. Why don't you sign up for it?
Excellent.
Okay, good job. Next one. Here. Okay, let's practice this. Sorry. Let's practice this conversation, okay? So I will be Kobe and you will be Emma. Is that okay?
Hmm. Which
Okay,
club
go.
do you which club do you want to sign up for?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's uh,
An IT?
an IT club. Do you like IT?
No, I don't.
How about a book club?
Yes, I really like reading books.
Why don't you sign up for it?
Yes, good idea. Next.
Which club do you want to sign up for?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's a dance club. Do you like
Dancing.
dance club?
Dancing.
Dancing.
No, I don't.
How about a drama? Drama.
Drama club.
Drama club.
Yes, I really like acting.
Why don't you sign up for it?
Yes, good idea. Skip.
Club do you want to sign up for?
I don't know.
Yes, soccer club. Dancing, do you like soccer?
Playing soccer?
Do you like playing soccer?
No, I don't.
How about an arts and crafts
Club. Cam, why do you forget club?
club?
Again, from the start. Number Emma. Which club?
How
Which club?
do you want to sign up for?
I don't know.
There is an IT club.
No,
Do
soccer
you?
club.
There is a soccer club. Dancing. Do you like play soccer?
Playing. Do you like playing?
Do you like playing soccer?
No, I don't.
How about an arts and crafts club?
Yes, I really like doing arts and crafts.
Why don't you sign up for it?
Yes, good idea. Good job, Cam. Now let's have this. You're choosing school activities to sign up for. Look at the list of clubs your school will have next year. Choose 2 activities that you like to do each year. Okay, so let's start. Which activity do you want to sign up for?
I don't know. Yes,
No, I will. Okay. There is
there is art club.
an.
Do you art club? Do you like drawing?
No, I don't. Next one. How about if I answer
There
no, I
is
don't? No. Yeah, there is
a books club. Do
no, I
you
like.
like reading books?
Yes, I like reading books. I really like reading.
There is a second club. Do
Science.
you science?
Okay, I will ask you. There's an art club. Do you like drawing?
Yes.
Yes,
Uh, yes, I do.
There's a book club. Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
There's a basketball practice. Do you like basketball?
Yes, I do.
There's a science club. Do you like science?
No, no, I don't.
There's a drama club. Do you like acting?
Yes, I do.
Mm. There's a dance club. Do you like dancing?
No, I don't.
There's a soccer practice. Do you like playing soccer?
No, I don't.
And there's an IT club. Do you like IT?
No, no, I don't.
Okay, so Cam, in your school, what are the clubs that you can join?
Art club.
What else aside from art club?
Um, badminton.
Badminton club,
Badminton club.
like sports club. What else?
Book club.
Book club. Okay, and then
No.
no more? Only three? Sports club, book club, and dance club? Art club, art club. Do you have dance club? You don't have dance club?
No.
How about math club? English club,
Yeah.
history club?
Yes.
Oh, you have, but you only give me three. You only gave me three clubs. Okay, so did you join any club? Did you join any
Yes.
club?
Yes.
What club did you join?
Art club.
Art club. Why? Why did you join art club?
Because it is in interesting.
Yes. Do you like drawing?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's nice. And aside from drawing, what else do you like in the art club? Aside from drawing, what else do you like in the art club?
Elsa.
Huh?
Elsa.
What Elsa?
Let
Drawing
me
Elsa?
go. Yes.
Why? So just drawing. I mean, aside from drawing, what else do you like? Do you like painting?
Reading.
Painting. Do you like painting?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. So, Cam, do you have any questions about our lesson for today?
No.
All right. So, Cam, are you gonna join your mom in the cafe? No? You gonna go with your mom to the cafe? No?
I
Yes or no?
don't know.
You don't know. Okay. So, Cam, this ends our lesson for today. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, see you again.